Today we're going to learn how to use Receipt Pal to turn our receipts into money. If you're interested in that, stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to Step Up Your Game Plan, or welcome if this is your first time. I'm Joanna and I upload videos on how to earn money online from home or from your phone. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and subscribe, and then also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. And then also, if you're interested in learning on how to make a passive income stream online, something long term, something that you don't have to trade your time for money every single day, if you're interested, go ahead and check out the first link below this video. That is how I make money online. I personally have done this and I am sharing this with you. If you are interested, check out that first link. And then also don't forget to check out the gift card giveaway that we're doing for the month of March. We're almost at the end of the month, so don't forget to check that out and to be a part of it. Okay, now without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and dive into this app. This app is called Receipt Pal. Now we are currently in the Google Play Store, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the link to this app in the description below this video. So if it's something that you are interested in, go ahead and scroll down and you will find the link to this app in the description below, and just tap on it or click on it and you'll be directed to this page. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the app overall and kind of get an overview as to how it works and everything, and then we'll get into the details and everything of understanding of how we can use this app to turn our everyday grocery or gas receipts into money, and yeah, start earning a little money on the side, right? So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this app now. Like I said, this is what the logo looks like, and we're gonna scroll down. This app has been rated 4.4 stars out of 5 by over 13,000 people. So I guess I want to say either this app is fairly new or it's not that popular. That's why it doesn't have like a lot of ratings, but it does have some reviews. So if you're interested in learning more as to like other people's experiences before downloading this app to your phone, it's a really good idea to come and read the review section, and that way you kind of more or less understand other people's experiences if you're interested. And if you scroll down, we're gonna find the developer contact information right here. So if you end up downloading this app and you're having any issues, questions, concerns, or suggestions that you may have for the developers, this is where you can contact them. They have a website right here and they have an email address right here, so you can email them directly and get in contact with them and let them know whatever it is that you want to let them know, or they can assist you with whatever it is that you need. And this app actually shows that it has had over 1 million downloads. So the fact that it only has 13,000 people rating it doesn't necessarily mean that it's not it doesn't necessarily mean that it's not that popular, I would say. So my bad whenever I said that maybe not that popular, because it does have 1 million plus installs. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the images that they provide. I am not going to play the video simply because I don't want to get copyright striked or whatever it's called that YouTube would give you if you play something that doesn't belong to you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and skip the video, and we're gonna go ahead and look at the images and read what they provide to us and to analyze the images, and that way we can start getting an understanding as to how we can use this app to turn our receipts into money. And then from there, we're gonna read the about section to get a more deeper understanding and see if this app will be a good fit for us. Okay, now first image, it says take your spare receipts. Okay, and turn them into rewards. Okay, so they do have a lot of gift cards. It says there's something for everyone. Submit receipts. Submitting receipts is a snap. Okay, and the more you submit, the more you earn. Okay, that's good. I actually have other videos on other apps that you can just take a picture of your receipt and it gives you point, and you turn your points into a gift cards or cash. So I'm just gonna go ahead and link the playlist to all of those apps. um, I mean, I have made videos on many apps, so I'm just gonna go ahead and link that playlist up here. um, so if you're interested, check that out as well. And we're just gonna go ahead and read the about section now. It says, don't just throw out your receipts, earn great rewards for them. ReceiptPal offers valuable gift cards from retailers like Amazon, Visa, Walmart, Target, Home Depot, Lowe's, and many others just for submitting everyday receipts for market research. Okay, so this is another market research app. So for this, I have done so many videos on so many apps that do participate in market research. For instance, the app Vigo, I have made videos on that as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and link those videos right here up in the card above. So check that out. You can get paid to watch Netflix, Hulu, and even Amazon. So if you're interested, check that out as well. That's another like market research related app, so where you can get paid for watching, get rewarded for watching your everyday favorite shows. So check that out if you're interested. Now we're gonna go ahead and look at the about section here. Now it says every receipt will also earn you chances to win cash prizes in our weekly sweepstakes. 3 winners will be announced every week. As long as you keep submitting receipts, you'll be entered automatically. Okay. Earning rewards is easy. Snap photos of your receipts from grocery stores, restaurants, and local retailers. Earn points for every valid receipt. Redeem your points for great rewards. Automatically enter weekly sweepstakes for cash prizes. More ways to earn points. Connect your email and Amazon account to submit e-receipt automatically and earn points faster. Earn bonus points and sweepstakes entries, and with fun in new mini games. Okay, this is something that it's big. I have not seen this on any other app that I have done that is similar to this. The fact that you can actually connect your Amazon account to automatically earn points for e-receipts, that's big. Who doesn't shop on Amazon? Everybody, like everybody shops on Amazon, right? So yeah, this is awesome. I have never seen this before on any other on any other um, what's it called, application. I lost that for a minute. I'm sorry. I have never seen that. I got too excited. I'm sorry, you guys. I got too excited, so I lost that for a minute. But yeah, I mean, I've never seen this before. Yeah, awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and link. I actually have used the app that's called Fetch Rewards, and for that one, you do pretty much the same thing that they mentioned here. That's the only app I have used so far. Now, I have done videos on many apps. I have not used all of them, of course, but it's not humanly possible to use 20,000 apps at the same time. So I don't use all the apps that I make videos on, but I mean, it's just information that I find out, and I want to share with you guys. That way you can um, make a little money on the side with even just little things like this. Even just little things like this. If you can earn a little chunk of change for either a car wash, for a cup of coffee, or whatever it is, I'll be more than happy if you do. if you can earn something like that for any information that I may be sharing here that can be useful for you. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this up. It says the more receipts you submit, the more points you earn. So get started today. Yeah, definitely. Now I'm gonna see if I have memory available in my phone, and that way I can download this app, because if I don't, I can't. I mean, I have other apps that I'm testing that I'm using right now, and if I don't have storage, I won't be able to. Okay, so I'm sorry. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you. Like every app that I come across, I'm like, I wish I had all the time in the world so that I can test every single one of them. I swear to you. I come across these apps and I'm like, I want to try this. Sometimes I download so many apps to my phone that the memory gets full, and but I don't have the time to test them, to use them and stuff, and so it doesn't work like that. So now I had set a limit to myself that I can only have a certain amount of apps, and I have to test those and kind of like just, if I like them, I keep them. If I didn't like them, I just delete them, and then I'll make more space for new apps. So that's what I've been doing lately, because it's just too much for me. I can't take it. Okay, so yeah, that is how we can use Receipt Pal to turn our receipts into money, gift cards, and stuff like that. So yeah, I mean, if you are interested in trying this out, or even if you have had any experience using this app, don't hesitate to share your experience with us in the comment section below. It is so helpful when other people come and they're like, okay, so I've used this app so many days, and or I have requested my payout, or I wanted to cash out but it worked or it didn't work, or whatever it is. It's so helpful with you whenever you guys share your experience. If you have had any experience, don't hesitate to leave your experience in the comment section below. That way other people in the community can learn and see if this is something that they want to try out and everything. So I know I didn't mention on this app, but I'm gonna say this, you guys. I'm gonna say this so that way you feel completely free to do this. Some of these apps that I share with you guys, and like I said, I don't use all of them. I don't get to try all of them because it's not humanly possible. Now, but if you have an app, I know for this app, we didn't see that there is a referral code or anything like that. But in other apps that I have shared with you, if you end up trying it out and you get your referral code, don't hesitate to come in the comment section below and leave your referral code in the comment section below. Honestly, you guys, I get so many comments on so many apps that they want me to share my code with them. People want me to share my code with them. But the thing is that if I'm not using that app currently, I don't have a referral code, right? So if you have a referral code for any of the apps that I have on my channel, don't hesitate to go and comment your referral code. That way people can come, and whenever they ask me for my referral code, I can just point them to your referral code. Okay, so don't hesitate. Okay, don't hesitate to do that. Leave your referral code, and other people may use it, that way you can earn a little bit more rewards on any given app that is on my channel, and you want to leave your referral code. Do that. Don't hesitate. I mean, for instance, this one, I know this app does not have a referral code, but for any other apps, don't hesitate to leave your code. Okay, keep that in mind. Okay, now well, this is the app uh, that you can use to turn your receipts into cash. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and link the videos, the previous videos I have done on previous apps, and a video that I've done on fetch rewards. I have used fetch rewards, and that way you can learn a little bit more about the other apps as well. So yeah, if you are interested, check this out. That sounds pretty easy and a great option for a chunk of change for your receipts, right? Now, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for your time. And before I forget, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing and help us reach to our 1,000 subscribers before the end of April, which is a month from now. Literally like a month or less than a month from now. So yeah, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, support us, and help us get to the 1,000 subscribers, so that way I can start monetizing this channel and I can do more gift card giveaways and for like this community. And yeah, so please subscribe and support us. Now, if this video was helpful to you, don't hesitate to share with family members, friends, in your social media accounts, Facebook, anywhere. Don't hesitate to share it. There may be somebody that can use this app and may be helpful for them. So yeah, don't hesitate to do that. Now, I'm gonna start blabbing. Thank you so much for your time, and until next time.